Hey, it's Tim Brown, the construction company marketer, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make events happen or be part of events on ConstructionWise. So events and in-person meetings are the #1 way to build your business, and it's because people do work with people that they like, know, and trust. And in-person hangouts and building rapport face-to-face are extremely important when it comes to this. So the #1 way that you can do this, in my opinion, is do home shows. So for instance, in Minnesota, the Parade of Homes is insanely powerful and people can get like 3 to 5 homes off of this. And whatever in your niche, in your specific aspect of construction, there are ways to get around people. So #2, I'm gonna suggest being part of roundtables. Like for instance, NARI in Minnesota is for remodelers. It's a great way to soak up information from others like you. And #3, go to trade shows, builder shows, exhibits, mingle, and find complementary services to yours. People want to refer others' business. It makes them look good. So if you become friends with them, if you become acquaintances with them, you build these relationships. And relationships and referral partners, it's a massive way to build your business. And I think another thing is just figure out ways that you can refer more business. And these in-person meetups and these hangouts are a wonderful way to find those people too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys get out to more meetups and personal face-to-face events with other people and possible referral partners. And join us for the next episode of ConstructionWise.